Welcome to this XM video tutorial session, in which we will guide you through the process of joining the MQL5 community and subscribing for trading signals in your XM MT4 platform. You can get started by visiting our dedicated MQL5 page at www.xm.com/MQL5. From there you can find some important information regarding MQL5. This includes a step-by-step guide on how to subscribe for trading signals, how to renew a subscription, and how to unsubscribe. And because MQL5 and the MT4 platform are both produced by MetaQuotes, they are designed to work together seamlessly and reliably. The first step is to register. Just click on the button "Request this from the members area", and you will be directed to the MQL5 website where you can create your profile. Just click on the registration button located at the top right-hand side of the page. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive a confirmation email containing your login details. You can now log into the MQL5 website. We recommend that you copy and paste your credentials to the relative fields in order to avoid making any mistakes. If you may be interested in purchasing any paid products, you have the option to deposit funds into your MQL5 account at any time. To do so, click on the profile link located at the top right hand of the page, then click on the Payments tab, followed by the Deposit to Account. Select your preferred payment method and follow the on-screen instructions to make your deposit. Now that you have an MQL5 account, you can launch your XM MT4 platform and enter your new registration details by navigating to Tools on the main menu, selecting Options, and then clicking on the Community tab. Again, copy and paste your credentials to the relative fields and click OK. Now click on the Signals tab located in the terminal area to review the large number of options available. Simply double-click on any signal to view more detailed information. To subscribe to a signal, click on the Subscribe button at the top of the terminal area. You will then be prompted to accept the applicable terms and conditions and re-enter your password for security purposes. Just specify your preferred trading parameters and click OK in order to start the signal service. Thank you for watching.